I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by picking a high-quality video or animated file and granting the app access. Tap the live wallpaper installer and allow storage and display permissions. This lets the app read media and set wallpapers. Once done, import the MP4 or GIF into the app's library and preview to check aspect ratio and length. Make sure battery optimization is off for the app so the animation plays smoothly. Pause here only when the file displays correctly in the app preview. Now you'll configure playback and visual settings to fit your home screen. In the app, set looping, mute audio if undesired, and adjust playback speed for subtle motion. Then choose scaling, crop to fill or fit to screen, and nudge position to avoid icons covering focal points. Once you finish, test on both home and lock screens to confirm alignment. Make sure parallax or motion effects are enabled only if your device supports them without stuttering. Apply the wallpaper by selecting Apply or Set Wallpaper and pick Home, Lock, or both. You'll see the animation load immediately. If it doesn't appear, restart the launcher or reboot the phone, then reopen the app and regrant permissions if asked. Once applied, tweak brightness, animation intensity, or resolution to save battery. If the animation stutters, reduce video resolution or frame rate and enable the app's low-power rendering option. This usually fixes performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.